All right, everybody, today we're here at a striping job that we did a few years ago on a commercial property. Just trying to check the condition, just want to point out a few things, both good and bad when it comes to striping, redoing asphalt, things like that. As you can see, the paint's faded just a little bit. Now there's lots of factors that go into that. Climate, snowplow removal, the type of ice melt, ice control that you use, because that can eat away paint and lessen the longevity. Just to clarify too, this is average wear in our area. The four main things we really want to talk about is, for one, the environment. You know, are you in a hot area? Are you in a snowy climate that's going to have constant traffic and snow plowing and things like that that can degrade, you know, the paint and the asphalt? The prep is very important as well. So prepping before you paint. Any good company out there is going to sweep it, clean it, pressure wash it, whatever it takes so that paint adheres to the asphalt. The next thing is the paint itself. You know, this isn't just any paint you can get at Home Depot, or you shouldn't, because unless it binds specifically to asphalt, it's just going to chip away and rot away very, very quickly. And then the last thing is something you want to consider, whether it's you need to redo your striping every year, every other year, every 3 years, is the amount of traffic that you have. So a church compared to a condo, compared to a supermarket, compared to Mall of America is all going to get a little bit different traffic coming in and out. And what I mean by traffic is the amount of cars, the amount of times tires are going to be moving on that paint and possibly disrupting the paint. But every couple years you should be restriping just to make sure those lines are visible and clear, handicap spots are visible and clear. That goes with fire lanes, curbs, markings, and things like that. So I hope this helps. Call us if you need us. We'll be there for you.